In the world of modern military aviation, the name F-22 Raptor has always been a symbol of unmatched power, cutting-edge stealth technology, and air combat dominance. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the F-22 is the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet and has remained a cornerstone of the United States Air Force's strategic capabilities for over 2 decades since its introduction. The F-22 Raptor was born out of the U.S. Air Force's Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) program, aimed at replacing the F-15 Eagle, which had been in service since the 1970s. By the end of the Cold War, the U.S. recognized the need for a fighter capable of complete air superiority, one that could penetrate advanced air defense systems and counter potential threats such as the Soviet Su-27 or MiG-29. Following a series of test flights and evaluations between 2 prototypes, the YF-22 by Lockheed Martin and the YF-23 by Northrop, the YF-22 was selected due to its superior agility and long-term development potential. The F-22 project officially began in the early 1990s, with its maiden flight taking place in 1997. By 2005, the F-22 had officially entered service. The F-22 Raptor is a single-seat, twin-engine fighter with a forward-swept wing design and dual vertical stabilizers. Its airframe emphasizes both aerodynamics and stealth, enabling the aircraft to achieve exceptional combat performance in modern warfare environments. The aircraft's structure is composed of composite materials, aluminum alloys, and titanium, ensuring a lightweight, durable frame while also minimizing its radar cross-section, RCS. All weapon bays are internal, avoiding the drag and radar exposure typical of earlier fighter designs, allowing the F-22 to maintain stealth throughout its mission. One of the F-22's most powerful advantages is its full-spectrum stealth. Its radar cross-section is said to be roughly the size of a golf ball, making it virtually invisible to enemy radar. This stealth capability comes not only from the aircraft's shape, but also from its radar-absorbent material ram coating that covers the entire body. The surfaces are designed with precise angles to deflect radar waves in various directions, rather than reflecting them back to enemy radar systems. This allows the F-22 to approach targets undetected and engage enemies before they even know it's there. The F-22 is powered by 2 Pratt Whitney F119 PW100 engines, each capable of producing up to 35,000 pounds of thrust and equipped with 2-dimensional thrust vectoring, which allows directional control of the exhaust for extreme maneuverability that no other fighter jet can match. Thanks to these engines, the F-22 can achieve supercruise, flying at supersonic speeds, Mach 1.5, without using afterburners. This not only conserves fuel and extends operational range, but also reduces the aircraft's infrared signature, making it harder to detect by heat-seeking systems. The F-22's maneuverability is considered among the best in the world. It can perform advanced aerial maneuvers such as the Cobra, Herbst maneuver, and J-turn with remarkable precision, allowing it to dominate opponents in close-range dogfights. The F-22 is equipped with the APG-77 AESA radar, which can track multiple targets simultaneously, resist jamming, and conduct electronic warfare. In addition to radar, the aircraft integrates a wide array of sensors, including electro-optical and infrared systems, GPS navigation, missile approach warning system, (AWS), radar warning receiver, RWR, and a fully integrated defensive avionics suite, DIS. All of this sensor data is fused together in the cockpit through an advanced sensor fusion system, giving the pilot a comprehensive view of the battle space and enabling rapid decision-making. The F-22 cockpit features multifunction displays, MFDs, a fly-by-wire control system, head-up display, HUD, and even voice command integration. Every aspect of the aircraft is designed to support the pilot during the most high-pressure combat situations. The F-22 Raptor can carry a variety of weapons depending on the mission: air-to-air missions, 6 AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles, and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. Air-to-ground missions, precision-guided munitions such as JDAM bombs and GBU-39 small-diameter bombs, SDBs, 20mm M61A2 Vulcan cannon, built into the fuselage with 480 rounds, used for close-range dogfighting. The F-22 has 3 internal weapon bays, 1 main bay located underneath the fuselage and 2 side bays. This configuration allows it to carry weapons while maintaining a low radar signature. Although the F-22 was originally designed for air superiority, it now plays a multi-role function in modern Air Force strategy, intercepting enemy aircraft at long range, escorting bombers and refueling aircraft, conducting precision air-to-ground strikes, performing reconnaissance and electronic warfare, leading strike missions by penetrating enemy air defenses. In military operations, such as those in Syria, the F-22 has been deployed to control the airspace, support coalition forces, and probe enemy air defense systems without being detected. The F-22 is widely considered the most powerful fighter jet in the world, thanks to several key attributes: full-spectrum stealth, exceptional maneuverability, supercruise capability, superior sensor fusion, multi-role combat functionality. The F-22 can eliminate enemy aircraft before they even know it's there. Despite its cutting-edge technology, the F-22 is not without its drawbacks. Extremely high cost. Each F-22 costs around $150 million, not including the significant maintenance and operational expenses. Early production halt. Due to its high cost and shifting defense priorities after the Cold War, production was capped at only 187 aircraft, far fewer than the originally planned 700-plus units. Not for export, the U.S. government banned exports of the F-22 to protect its top-secret technologies, even from close allies like Japan, Israel, and Australia. Technical issues. In its early years, F-22 pilots experienced oxygen supply problems, prompting the Air Force to modify the onboard life support systems. The F-22 is often compared to another fifth-generation fighter, the F-35 Lightning II. However, the two jets were designed for different roles. The F-22 specializes in air superiority, stealth, and interception. The F-35 is designed for multi-role operations, including ground attack, reconnaissance, and close air support. The F-22 is more maneuverable, faster, and has superior stealth in air-to-air combat, while the F-35 features more advanced sensors and is deeply networked for integrated warfare environments. Although the F-22 has been in service for over 20 years, the U.S. Air Force continues to maintain and upgrade the fleet. Modernization programs are underway to enhance its radar, communication systems, sensors, and weapons capability. Eventually, the F-22 will be replaced by the Next Generation Air Dominance program, a sixth-generation fighter expected to debut in the 2030s. Until then, the F-22 will remain the backbone of American air superiority,